Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower engine with the Holley Sniper Efi 2 system on there for our customer's 1965 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. Again, we have a 347 Ford stroker engine, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. It's real nice red ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. Engine block is painted to black with the brass freeze plugs. Oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch installation right there. We have the Ford Racing black valve covers with the matching air cleaner on there. Distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, Holley Sniper fuel injection system on there. We have the throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, and bracket. We'll set the settings on the Holley Sniper Efi 2 system. All the menu settings will be set, all done for the customer. We have the manifold vacuum fitting on the intake manifold for any vacuum hookups right there. We have the aluminum bell housing on there. It's a proper bell housing. Customer, we're going to be supplying the TKX 5-speed transmission. Proper bell housing. We have the ram clutch in there, 26 spline clutch, all set up and aligned. High torque mini starter on there. We have the external fuel pressure regulator mounted for the customer, all set with the return line to go back to the fuel tank, all set up, the fitting. PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell line. All the heavy duty Russell fuel lines with the AN fittings going up to the Sniper EFI system. It's real nice serpentine pulley kit on here. We have the proper passenger side lower hose water pump, high flow standard rotation water pump for the 65 Mustang. Thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hose. We have the 140 amp one wire hookup alternator right here. Heavy duty 8 rib serpentine belts. Belt tensions all set, all aligned. Power steering pumps on there. Again, heavy duty 8 rib serpentine belt system, all aligned, tension set, ready to go. Every engine is live run and fully tested. You'll see a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. Again, we're going to dial in the menu screen on the Sniper EFI, set the fuel pressure on the regulator, set the ignition timing, set the idle. We check for leaks. Everything has gone over 100%. Perfect. So you know when you put the engine in, you'll have total confidence it's going to be 100% perfect. So again, this is our 347 Ford 425 horsepower Holley Sniper 2 system, fuel injection on there with the 2 belt system pulley kit. Thanks for watching.